bro. Me nah do that, dog. Do the right thing, not nice, youth. Do the right thing, brother. Here's me sign to your label, bro. Yeah, dog. Stop come out of your feelings and me decide something I do my own thing. Make me do my own thing, brother. Don't try to hold back me thing, them. Yeah, create animosity for no fucking reason. Cause this no call for. Yeah, dog. Me sign to your label and my contract up. So me's no more a part of the fucking label. You see me? What you talk about? Do the right thing, killer. Do the right thing, brother. And not some devil and evil, brother. Not going like say not Jesus, brother. Not Judas, dog. And then you quick for jump and talk about man ungrateful. Remember, I know no style, you know. That's why I don't know tracing with no man coming on do that. I just want a man understand what I say. And know say stop ramping me thing. Stop playing me thing, bro. I can't access my Spotify, nor my YouTube, nor my Facebook fan page. None of them thing there, bro. Stop ramping me thing, bro. Fuck you do, dog. That me I tell you, me get curried and fuck up, bro. Everybody else say me I eat that I'm throw my career down the line or down the drain and way. Bro, no, don't stop fuck with me, dog. Stop fuck up, dog. Just do the right thing, cause I know my style is me I deal with this the right way. Me I tell you say, do the right thing and make me get me thing them, brother. Cause you can't pussy me up and I know that, you know, dog. Me I tell you that. I mean a wild youth, bro. And no boy can bad me up and I don't give a fuck who you be. And you know that. Tell you that, brother. Just do the right thing. Cause me enough in no argument about this. You have a bumbuckler email. The one email there for the whole I think them. I know you talk about say I know you have a code them. Stop, brother. Stop the nonsense, brother. If people are fool, dog. If people are fool, dog. Stop your fucker, dog. That me I tell you. Don't play my legacy, dog. That me I tell you, bro. Right now, see amount of people. Me I say me can't get my billboard plaque. The amount of people. I see a comment I say, Jeffress did go billboard, they didn't even know. Because I didn't even have a plaque. The man have a plaque up on yard and I tell people say, don't have a plaque. A plaque when me see with me here in the studio. The man I say him don't have it. So where disappear gone? Because you're one up on your wall and everybody else get for them. Where my one them, my friend? You lock it where? Lock where you try to hide my legacy, brother. You make it look like say me not do no work, dog. Don't do that, bro. Remember, say a computer nerd, you know, brother, so no do be a little fucker, you know. That's three fans them who no understand. I tell you now, who know a gatekeeper them, brother? Bumbuckler, dog. Remember, say 2 years now, me and no friend in the dog. Enough people even know that me never even said that in the dog. Cause I don't know we stay there with a bag of chatting with no man, you know, bro. 2 fucking years, you know, brother. And me I try to claim me thing them and I see them thing. I know you're saying I have them. Oh, you finna have them, bro? I the one email control all of the thing them. Just the other day, the same email that did I do fucking business through for Jafrass. You see me? And you have the email. But you and Jafrass and a friend now, and Jafrass take that email the whole time by you. You decide, say, you are hold on pan Jafrass thing them. Change your code them pan me thing them. I know you say, yo, you know this and you know that. Brother, stop your fucker, bro. But I rather you just tell me straight, say, yo, pussy, you can't get them and use badness. I feel better that way there. But when you make it go on like say, you make it look like say, yo man, I know whatever I say, bro. Don't do that, dog. Don't bumbuckler do that, brother. Don't do that, dog. Free up my thing them, brother. Man, I not beg people nothing, you know, dog. You know me stay, you know, bro. And we are humble youth, you know, brother. So for you see we get so corrupt, you know, we're fully corrupt, bro. You can't do that, dog. You have to do the right thing, bro. Your name Notnice. If you have Notnice Spotify, if you have Notnice thing them. My name Jafrass and me if you want my thing them. Fuck you want the whole hand for my thing them for. Cause you in your feelings, brother. If you're a fuck man, bro, come out of your feelings, dog. How long me there on that nice records? If I can't check up on me, I do something different, bro. We not have to argue, bro. A business, dog. You go on like say your feelings, bro. But do that, bro. Me no love man, dog. Fuck the dog. Even stay upon no life, brother. Just do the right thing, dog. And make me